Guys, I cannot buy anything in the store like Animal Jam. Fix, please. If you're watching this, fix Jamalade Jam. Please, I beg you. Like, literally, I cannot accept these items. Yeah, you can buy them. But, like, you cannot buy others. Like, look. What the heck? I always wanted, like, the full set of these, full set of these, full set of these, full set of these, and these, and these. And I can't believe you had to do that. It started, 3 hours ago. Oh, right. Winter's Dance. It's Winter's Dance. Anyway, I'm so annoyed by you, Animal Jam. Perhaps it's just like the servers, but I'm gonna check every party I know because everything's empty these days. Like, oh my god! Okay, I'm very shocked. I can't believe it doesn't literally work. Like, I've tried everything. Yeah, I know it doesn't even work. Oh! Animal Jam. Whatever. Animal Jam. Oh my god, everyone's angry. To be honest, like, I'm so mad. Like, I'm mad as heck. Because I wanted to buy the full set of those, but I guess no. It's like, nope, Animal Jam. Nope, you don't have them. And it's really annoying, because, like, every time I want to, like, buy something, it doesn't work. What the heck? I'm trying to buy stuff, and now it just doesn't work. Like, people, decent law. I'm sorry. But every time I go to these parties, it just doesn't work. Like, every time. Every time do you have to do this to me, Animal Jam. Like, every time do you have to do this. No, you don't. Like, this is so annoying. Like, all you can buy is just, like, the armor and stuff. But, like, now do you have to, like, oh my god, Animal Jam, please help me. I'm gonna die in a minute. Oh my god. What? They could buy them? What? He just keeps working on the issue as we speak. Probably not, because I don't believe this could go. I can't wait till it actually starts cold again. To be honest, I can't wait for the Jamal days. Like, they're gonna come out next Thursday. No. The next Thursday. I'm so excited because, yeah, I miss wearing hoodies. Yeah, you miss wearing hoodies. Okay, anyway, so I feel like Ajik is like fixing this and stuff. But yeah, guys, this is Jamal Day Jam. I'm gonna let you guys know if you can buy them again tomorrow. So if we can't buy them again, I'll just tell you guys that you can't buy them again. We'll never buy. You can't even buy them. So late at night when I'm awake or something, I'm gonna wake up and tell you guys if it works or not. Because if it doesn't, then I don't know. I don't even know what to do. So, oh my god, so annoying sometimes when you want to do something and then it's just like, nope, you're not having it. And this, I hate it sometimes, you know. Oh, I have a blue candy cane. Cool. Anyway, so you can buy this stuff though. That's pretty cool. Wow, I'm actually surprised. I'm like, you made everything work except of the items. Like the Jamaldi ones, yeah. I don't like the armor. Like no one does. Like no one, literally no one. But you know, you can buy the reindeers here if you want it. I don't want that. Okay, but you can buy the reindeers here. It's normal Jamali stuff. You can make it any color, blah blah blah. It doesn't cost diamonds and stuff. Yeah, whatever. And you can also decorate it. It's pretty cool. To be honest, it's like, I don't know, but it's like super cool of how like they do stuff. How do these people have? I know. Ugh, that's we had socks from last year. Yeah, true. We had socks last year, and we're just gonna lose them because I don't know. But everyone's in the timeship is like, where are the armors? What? Where are the armors? Where are the armors? And then we're like, isn't your mom the jam? And then they wanted to prank them, but like, it was actually Jamal the Jam. And everyone can get the armor, but it's like, sometimes it's like very annoying when like you can't buy that in new items. Like, sometimes it just came out today because it's like Thursday. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's Thursday. 26th of July. Wait, what photos car? I'm gonna like. I'm triggered. I know, it's just like, can't buy anything. Nope, you're not allowed to buy anything. Imagine if those socks were black. And you were like, what? Like, I know, right? So usually, our store, like right now, in the beta days, they used to have it like that. But no, they don't. Because, I don't know. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please keep in mind that you cannot buy anything here. Try it tomorrow and see if it works. Yeah. Sure, bye.